Hey, what's up everybody? Installing these wall mounts for my Switch controllers. Got these on Amazon, about 15 bucks. They're just little bendable wire hangers. They could fit different Switch controllers, PS5, Xbox, PS4, 3, whatever. So here's my other Switch controller that it holds. They're just these bendable little hangers that you could just mold to the way you want them, and then they adhesive to the wall. So here's how it comes in a box. You got your parts here, these little bolt covers. So I used a level and a pencil to put this on. Basically what I did is I just took a level, made a pencil mark, just like a straight line where I'd want the adhesive. I'm going to put like mine across this way, like 4 across, so I'm going to try to put them in a straight line. So here's the first part. This is an adhesive on the back. You just pull this plastic off and then you could stick it to the wall. It's pretty strong adhesive, but if you were to mistakenly put it in the wrong spot, you could probably pull it off. So I made my pencil mark, so I just put this adhesive on my straight line to where I wanted it, and I'm just going to push it on. I spent a minute getting this on real good because I didn't want to deal with it coming off or anything. So once that's on, just come over here and get your screw that comes with it, your little screw mount and wire holder, and then the screw cover. So you're gonna just kind of put these together like this. You put your little wall hanger mount on, and then you put your screw through, and then your cover, or you put the cover on and then the screw through it. The screw screws right into that little flower thing. It's got some threads on it. Just a regular screwdriver, just tighten it in. Not make it tight. You don't want to strip the threads or break the screw, or I should say bolt. It's really a bolt. It's just a little machine bolt. That's the real technical term. So just get it kind of snug, and then the black little cover part can go over it. And yeah, so if you break this little black cover part off, it's not necessary. It's just for cosmetic purposes, you know, just to cover it, make it look cool, you know, make it look good. That's the reason why that's there. So I did about 4 of these wire hangers. The pack came with 4, and yeah.